It started with a simple goal: clean out the fridge, clear out the clutter, and finally reset my space. But a productive afternoon quickly turned into an ambitious evening. I decided that today was the perfect time to make focaccia from scratch. What I didn't account for was the patience that the bread demanded. The rises, the rest, the waiting, the hours just started to slip away, and I didn't actually get to sit down until 1 a.m. It was a long day, but stick around to see exactly how it all turned out. So it's Saturday and I got a late start today. I actually was off today, which I'm so glad. I haven't had a Saturday off in I don't know how long. So I'm actually going to be doing some light cleaning today. The refrigerator, I might do like a couple more things, and then I can just finish like the rest of my cleaning like tomorrow. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bake some focaccia. Y'all, when I tell you I've been going down the rabbit hole of just looking at different focaccias that they have, whether it's rosemary, olives on top. You can make pizza out of it. Like, I ended up going to get some bread flour. I do have all-purpose flour, but I wanted to try the bread flour because the girl that I seen online, like on TikTok, she was saying how you want to get bread that's at least 12% protein. Of course, I go to the grocery store and all I see is 4 grams of protein on the back of the package. And I'm like, where's this 12% that I'm supposed to be looking for to make sure that it's, you know, the percentage that it needs to be? If you go to the grocery store and you get bread flour and you see 4 grams on the back of the package, what you basically want to do to determine or to calculate that is to take 4 grams of protein divided by the number of servings, and then that's how you'll get the percentage of protein that's in the flour. I didn't turn myself into a whole baker. I'm excited to use the bread flour. And just like start experimenting with different breads, because I just want to try, I want to test, and I just want to make some good bread. Instead of having just like the focaccia bread, I'm actually getting ready to show y'all what I bought from the grocery store to put with my focaccia. Basically, I'm making a sandwich, but I'm about to show y'all what I got. Picked this up from Kroger, and it's pretty much just prosciutto and salami. And then I got some extra sharp white cheddar. This is one of my favorite cheeses. And then I got some smoked honey maple turkey breast to go on a sandwich as well. I'm gonna make a cabbage slaw, a kale cabbage slaw, and then I got me some banana peppers. And then also just some oregano and some rosemary. Sometimes the bread process can take some time. It's gonna take some time. And then with the focaccia, because you gotta stretch and fold, stretch and fold, stretch and fold. That's like 30 minutes stretch and fold, 30 minutes stretch and fold, 30 minutes stretch and fold, like 4 times. So I ordered some bowl scrapers from Amazon, and it actually came in a set. I think that this is going to be really helpful because when I mix my dough with a spoon, it leaves so much residue of dough on the outside or the inside of the bowl. So these scrapers is going to be good just so that I don't, you know, leave any dough behind. amount of water that I added initially is not enough. It's moist in the middle, but then as I keep mixing, I can see that I'm gonna need a little bit more water. I'm looking for a shaggy, wet, sticky type of texture, and I'm not getting that, so I'm gonna just add like a little bit of water at a time so I can get that consistency. So I just did my first stretch and fold. So I stretched, folded 4 times around, and then I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then do that 4 more times. So I'm gonna prep my vegetables for my cabbage slaw my kale cabbage slaw that I'm gonna make. So that is already done, and just probably sit down and watch some TV for a little bit until the timer is up. I put the kale slaw in the fridge just so that all the flavors can kind of like come together. And then I'm getting ready to do my 4th stretch and fold on the dough. And then I'm gonna just finish everything up from there. I'm getting tired, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I started filming today really late than I normally would. And so it is going on 10 o'clock, but it's a Saturday, so it's cool. But I obviously would have probably not have done this on like a weeknight. And I'm just gonna sit down for a little bit and just watch some TV. Yo, go sit down, you ain't about to do nothing. I come out every time it's like a whole bunch of like commotion going on the TV. Honey gets off the couch and runs to the TV like she about to do something. Like, dude, you're not about to do nothing. She also does that with the Netflix logo. Like when it come up for whatever reason, like she runs to the TV. Like as if she gonna jump through the TV and do something. Why are you like running up to the TV full force and then stop? Well, really what she be doing is jumping up. The TV upstairs, she'll jump up on the TV, on the TV stand, and I be literally having to tell her, like, dude, if that TV fall on you, like if it fall on you, like, then it's over with. Like, she don't understand that. It's too late to be kind of eating. I'm gonna just make my sandwich based off of this little square piece right here. This sandwich was worth the wait. Like, for my first time, I actually didn't do too bad. But wow, this is pretty good. I don't know, focaccia is just different. Like, the smell of it is different when it's baking. It's a different smell. It's a different ball game. Like, focaccia, it's gonna take about 4 or 5 hours. Well, and then I'm filming, so that takes a little bit longer for me to get my angles and stuff like that. But even without filming, you can expect for it to take, I don't know, 3 to 4 hours, maybe 4 to 5 hours, I would say. So it's very involved. I know before I did say that bread was not as involved, but I think it just depends on what type of bread you're making. And now that I know that focaccia is an involved type of bread, like, this is a process. This is not no hurry up, about to hurry up and make some focaccia. This is not that. Like, this is worth it, but you gotta have the time. Would I make it again though? I absolutely would. I just can't believe how long it took. I think the toppings that I put on there, I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to put on there. The slaw is, you know, really just makes everything come together. Wait. When I tell you she was just asleep, she is all in my face. I gave her some. Everything I eat, dude, mostly she eat. I look out for her, but she really in my face right now. Like, she know that this is some like homemade. I done put my foot in it. It then took 12 hours. I know it's good. Like, that's how she's standing next to me, dude. Yeah, focaccia has a different type of smell. It just do. It's different. It's a little different. I don't know if that's because of the olive oil that I'm smelling. Because focaccia requires quite a bit of oil. It's a oil heavy type of a bread. But it smells really good. It's just, I smell something. I just can't really pinpoint what it is. I'm thinking it's the olive oil. I don't know. But y'all, thank y'all for hanging with me all day. Like, I did a lot today. I'm about to eat this sandwich. I'm deciding on whether or not I'm gonna film tomorrow or let this just be the end of the video. But thank y'all for watching, and I will, if I don't film tomorrow, I will see y'all in the next video.